Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to load setups in iRacing. First, after choosing your car and track, click the Test or Race button to enter a session. Once the session loads, you'll see various options on your screen. Look for the Garage button, usually located prominently. Clicking this button will open the Garage interface, where all your car's tuning options are available. This is your starting point for managing setups. Now that you're in the Garage, it's time to load a setup. Look for the Load button, typically found at the top of the Garage screen. Clicking it will open a new window, showing all your previously saved setup files. These files are usually named to indicate the track or conditions they are designed for. Simply select the setup you wish to use from the list, then click Open to apply it to your car. Once you've loaded a setup, all the car's parameters in the Garage will instantly update to reflect those settings. You can now review these settings and make any minor adjustments you deem necessary for the current conditions or your driving style. For example, you might tweak tire pressures by a few clicks. After making any changes, it's crucial to click the Apply button to ensure your modifications are saved and active for your car. If you've made any personal adjustments to a loaded setup or created one from scratch, you'll want to save it. Click the Save As button, which will prompt you to name your new setup file. Choose a descriptive name, perhaps including the track, car, and conditions, to easily find it later. This ensures your custom tuning is preserved and readily available for your next session, saving you valuable time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.